Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today guys with me I have the Samsung S23 Fan Edition, and let's unbox this right now. So guys, the Samsung S23 FE, that is the Fan Edition that we have got here. This is in the purple color and it has 256 GBs of storage and 8 GBs of RAM. So just let's remove this protective plastic layer from the phone itself. This is always tough for me because I have like small nails, as you can see. So difficult. So this is the satisfying thing and at the same time so difficult. So you have got the plastic out, so buy my plastic, throw it away. And this is how the box of the phone looks. It is matte finish, but at the same time it's quite glossy. Something weird that they have done here. So this shows that the phone color is purple, and they have mentioned it over here, I guess. Yeah, everything is mentioned over here. Purple, 8 GB and 256 GBs of storage. So this is the box. Looks pretty neat, tidy. And yes, we can see that this phone is also not having the charging adapter or anything else. It just comes with the wire. So here we have some pull tabs just like the ones on the newer iPhone models. So we can just pull this one, this seal, to open this phone, and voila, through that. And yeah, there is this satisfying thing that comes with iPhones. So here is the phone, pretty amazing. Here we get an folder in which I believe we get the case. Do we? So in this we get the SIM card tool, some paperwork which we'll throw away, and the USB C type to C type data cable. So let's all keep this all aside and let's bring the phone the light. So this is the phone. This is pull tab. You can just use it to lift up the phone, and this is how it looks. So crispy. The feeling of new phone is just next level. You can just peel this protective layer from the phone. So satisfying, damn. And here is the phone in our hands, the first look of the phone. So I really like this color because at the back you have purple, and at this we have a contrast of silver, which looks real neat and tidy on this one. So let's boot this up, and we get the Samsung logo right there, which is powered by the security thing that Samsung does, the Samsung Knox. I'm really sorry for the flash that you must be getting on the phone. It's due to my phone's flashlight. And yes, I hope you've liked the unboxing. Bye.